Welcome to Hogwarts, School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. I am your professor, Professor Minerva McGonagall. This is my first lesson here at Hogwarts and I am so excited for what we are about to learn. So, before the sorting hat sorts you into either Gryffindor, Ravenclaw, Slytherin, or Hufflepuff, I do believe that it is very important that we discuss the honor of inheriting the gift of witchcraft or wizardry, how wizards are made. So all humans, both wizards and muggles alike, receive one allele or gene from each parent, creating a genotype. Now, when discussing this trait, we have the muggleness gene, which is dominant to that of wizardry, which is the recessive. The dominant is normally uppercase, and the recessive is normally lowercase. So, what does this mean exactly? Well, I will show you. What it means is that it is much more common to be born a muggle than it is to be born a witch or a wizard. And if you have even one dominant gene for muggleness, it will mask or hide any wizarding capabilities. So, because of that, why don't we take a look at one of Hogwarts' most famous couples, Lily Potter and James Potter, who were both full-blooded wizards. If they had any children, here, Harry Potter, what would have been his fate for inheriting the gift of witchcraft or wizardry? Let's go to the book, shall we? So, if we take both the genotype for Lily Potter and James Potter, we would see that every single probability that they had, if they ever had an offspring, would be 100% probability of inheritance for the gift of wizardry. Now, when we look at Ronald Weasley and all of his brothers and his sister Ginny, we would see that because his parents were also full-blooded witches and wizards, that they would all have the same probability as Harry Potter would. Now, what about Hermione? With the fact that both of Hermione's parents are heterozygous for the Muggle gene, being as that they have one dominant and one recessive, what would be her chances? So let us go back to the book and find out. If we take the genotype for Miss Granger and the genotype for Mr. Granger, we would see that they would have a 25% probability of producing a child fully blooded muggle, a 50% probability of heterozygous muggle, and a 25% probability of being a witch or wizard. And that is exactly where Hermione fell. So, with that in mind, in conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, whether you were born from a long lineage of witches or wizards or come from Muggle ancestry, you are special and you are one of the very few who can call themselves a student here at Hogwarts, School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. And in the wise words of our esteemed headmaster Albus Dumbledore, it is not our abilities that show what we truly are but our choices. Good luck to you all.